So everybody's traveling now, and you need one of these. This is an inflatable face pillow. See the inflation pointer? It's already inflated. Fits in this little bag. You can see that your arms go in there, and your head goes in there. So you put your arms in, you put your face down, and you go to sleep on the airplane.
You feel so much more refreshed when you get to the destination.
Comes with a little bag, and you're all set. It takes just a second to blow it up. So buy it,